What is volleyball all about? So, volleyball is played by two teams of 6 players and played with ball and net. So, ang volleyball daw, ginaduwa siya with two teams kada side kibale and then may 6 players kada side. Then played with ball and net. So, kibale ang gamit din niya is ball o net. What is the goal of volleyball? You win a score by winning the rally. So, volleyball, this is the volleyball court, the professional volleyball court, and the volleyball gear, which is the ball and the net. So, amoy ning mga rules ng volleyball. So, first is you cannot touch the net. Of course, dili ka mo kuan mohawid sa net. Kung mohawid ka yaon, it means eliminated na ka or yon kuan na ka yon lang pa sa basketball yon. Ano ba yan? Foul yaon siya. Then, stepping on the line. Of course, kay pag hindi pa magkuan kita, butter, serve yun siya. So, pag makakuan kita, yun, pag may step ng line is stepping na yun siya. Then, touch the ball 3 times. Kay, kung kaupat kita mo kuan, yun, mo hawid ng bula, kuan na sabiyon siya. So, dapat katulod daw, or yun, pag katulo na bitaw, yun, imo na ipagawa sa iyo, kaya dapat dili na mapasa sa lain niyo team. Sa volleyball position, first is, we have sitter. Quickest on the team puts the ball in air for spiker and is the captain. So, ang sitter is, siya ang person na musit ng bola kay para, o basta siya musit ng bola kay para makaspike ang spiker. Next is ang liberos. Defense, take, attack, or serve can be shorter and wears different jersey. So, ining liberos is, aman din sila ang first ball, lang pa sila ang mo-receive ng bola kay para. O, murag, object dito sila, murag lahian nila liro. Sila yung pinakauna mo-receive ng bola. Next is, middle blocker. Very fast attacker, best blocker. So, ining middle blocker, siya ang siya sa tunga, kay kung mo spike ang other, yung kalaban, siya ang mo-block ibalik kay para di kasudit ng bola. Abiyan, taas siya mga bakbita para mula di kasunod. Next is outside hitter. So, hits the ball the most. So, in outside hitter is, amoy ni siya ang mo, pinakakusog mo bagdak dito, yung siya sa luyo. Kaya pag dagan niya, di ba mo sit sa sitter, siya mo dagan ni mo bagdak. Kay, amoy yan roll. Then, ang opposite hitter is sa right. Pwede sa siya mo bagdak, pero yung siya sa right na side. Pwede sa siya mo block. So, mining sitter, liberos, tapos middle blocker, outside hitter, opposite hitter.
So, this is the techniques of volleyball. First is serve. Starting the game by hitting the ball to the other side. So, sa serve, amo ini ang kibali ang opposite side, amo ini ang mo serve ng bola pasingod sa other opposite na side. Next is bump or pass. Hit below head. So, may duha ka klase ng bump or pass. Ang una is laong, tapos ang isa laong, which is amuyaon ang purpose na para ang sunod set put the ball in the air so others can spike it. So ang purpose na itong bump is para maka-spike ang sunod ang spiker ng iyo team. Next is spike, hitting the ball hard. Amo ito ang purpose nan set para i-hit ang ball nan hard nan spiker. So this is serve. Amo ito pala ang pa-serve nan player sa isa ka side. Next is bump. Amo ito ang pag-release ng bola papasa. O next is set. Pagpasa sa bola ahead sa head, above sa head. Next is spike. Amo ito ang pag-set ng bola, amo ito ang sunod na hitter mo spike.
So, yada is sub techniques ng volleyball. Una is dink contact with the ball over net by tipping. So, ang dink is yatong igo dahil ito ilang ang bola sa net. The next is blocking. Stop the ball from coming over the net. Siya to bitan sa ibala sa kalaban may mo bagdak. Kung sila ito mo mulaong i-block pa nila kadi nga di ang bola. Next is dig. When the ball is close to the floor. Siya to mga libero bitaw na amoy kuan gid kamang. So now let's move on to the history of volleyball. The game of volleyball, originally called Mentonet, was invented in 1895 by William J. Morgan. William J. Morgan is a graduate of the Springfield College of the YMCA, designed the game of the combination of basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball. In 1900s, a special ball was designed for the sport. In 1916, in the Philippines, an offensive style of passing the ball in a high trajectory to be struck by another player, the set and the spike, were introduced. In 1917, the game was changed from 21 to 15 points. So by 1917, the game was changed from 21 points to 15 points. Next is, in 1920, 3 hits, peer side and back row attack rules were instituted. In 1922, the first YMCA National Championships were held in Brooklyn, NY. The 2017 teams from 11 states were represented. In 1928, it became clear that tournaments and rules were needed. The United States Volleyball Association, or VBA, now USA Volleyball, was formed. The first US Open was staged as the field was open to non-YMCA squads. In 1930, the first two-man beach game was played. While in 1934, the approval and recognition of national volleyball refers. In 1990, the World League was created. In 1995, the sport of volleyball was 100 years old. In 1996, two-person beach volleyball will be an Olympic sport. So that's all for the history of the volleyball.